This is Steve with BDAT Apiary and Bee Removal. It's Easter Sunday, April 21st, 2019, and I'm at what my buddy Jeff Horshoff, Mr. Ed, would call a beehive house. And I'm going to show you a couple of the hives, but right here we have hive number one above the door. Bees coming and going like crazy. And down here we have hive number two. They're going in and out there. Well, they're not going to go in and out while I'm standing here, I don't guess. Here they go. They're taking in pollen there. And then hive number three over here above the window. They're going in and out there. We're going to let you get a look at that. And hive number four is over on the other side of the house. I'm trying to do this in one take, so we're not going to walk all the way around there and bore you. Just take my word for it, they're over there. So we're going to be coming back here in I guess the next week or so and getting at least some of these girls out and finish them up sometime during the summer. But we've got permission to take them out. You just got to put the boards back. It's an abandoned house, and it's the owner says that there's been bees in here for over 20 years. So this ought to be some good, hardy, feral stock. So that's all we have for you today. I'll try to get some film on when we're taking them out. I'm going to have some new helpers with me when I do it. My brother-in-law is a new beekeeper, and his wife. So until then, this is Steve with BDAT, Bee Apiary and Bee Removal. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that little bell so you'll be notified for our next videos. And we're out. We'll see you later. Oh, I forgot to say we're over near Klondike, Louisiana, about 40 miles east of Lake Charles, and a little bit south of Lake Arthur. So in case you were wondering where we were at. Till next time, see you later.